Unraveling the mystery of Mullered. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, mullered. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Let's dive in. The term mullered has an interesting origin. It's primarily British slang and its usage can be traced back to the 20th century. While there are a few theories about where the term came from, one popular suggestion is that it derives from the name of the former German footballer Gerd Müller, known for his exceptional ability to destroy opposition defenses with his scoring prowess. Over time, the term evolved and started to be used in contexts outside of football. Mullered is a slang term that means 1. To be heavily defeated or destroyed in a competition or activity. 2. Example, our team got mullered in yesterday's match. 3. To be extremely drunk. 4. Example, he was completely mullered at the party last night. It's important to note that the context in which the word is used will usually determine its meaning. Now that we know the meanings, let's see some more examples. 1. After trying to fix the computer for hours, Jane admitted, "I'm mullered. I can't figure it out." 2. You should have seen him on New Year's Eve. He was totally mullered. Remember, while the term is widely understood in the UK, it might not be as well known in other English-speaking countries. So, always be mindful of your audience when using regional slang. So, there you have it. Mullered is a fun and expressive term to add to your English vocabulary, especially if you're keen on British slang. We hope this video has been enlightening. And now, the next time you come across this word, you'll know exactly what it means. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of the English language.